Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Tolovola and a warm welcome to a super beautiful tutorial using half double crochet and chain stitches. I have a V-stitch pattern for you here, crocheted with a double strand of yarn. Super easy, super cozy, and how I made this, which yarn I used, which wool, and all the other details you'll see now, of course. Have a lot of fun with it. Right, my dear friends, let's get started with this pretty glitter yarn ball right here from Teddy in a truly lovely, super cozy shade of grey. This is 50 grams for 145 meters. I'll be double crocheting this. So not with a 4.5 hook, but actually with a 9 hook. The skein costs €2 and it's 44% polyacrylic, 44% wool, and 12% polyester. The little tag is the first thing that's going to be removed. And then I bring the beginning and end together here. And so I'll just piece together this whole tangled mess. And I'll start with an odd number of foundation chain stitches. For me, that will be 13 of them. And let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just let the wool come down a little, then it can unroll smoothly. Watch out. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I'm actually skipping the first 2 stitches. I'll go into the 3rd stitch and make 2 half doubles with a chain stitch in between. First half double, chain stitch, second half double. Then I will skip 1 chain stitch and crochet the whole thing again. You will make 2 half double crochets and then place a single chain stitch right in between them. Chain stitch. And then right here, we're going to add some more half double crochets, followed by a chain stitch. Half double crochet, chain stitch. Half double crochet, chain stitch. Work a half double crochet, then skip the very next chain stitch. And then we're going to crochet this particular section again. Alright, skip 1 chain stitch, then make 2 more half double crochets. And then I still have 2 chain stitches left here, and this is how my crocheted piece looks so far. It's really, really nice and cozy. And as I mentioned, there are 2 chain stitches remaining. I'm going to skip 1, and into the very last one, I'll crochet a single half double crochet. Oops. So this was supposed to be a half double crochet stitch. It didn't quite turn out to be one, but here it is. So I have skipped 2 chain stitches right here at the very beginning. I finished the entire piece with a half double crochet stitch here, and in between I have these beautiful V stitches all made of half double crochets. We want to make sure the entire piece is really nice and dense. And now I'm going to take 2 chain stitches to establish the height for the upcoming row, and then I'll simply continue working the pattern in this exact manner. I'm going to turn my work around now, and I'll always crochet new half double crochets around these chain stitches, and I'll always leave 1 chain stitch in between each one. It's super simple, super uncomplicated. This is really quick and easy to finish, and here you can already see the next 2. Then we'll continue from here. Next insertion point, a half double crochet. Foundational chain stitch. A half double crochet stitch. You'll do a half double crochet and then a chain stitch. So we're going to make 1 half double crochet stitch, and then right here we'll work 2 more half double crochet stitches with a single chain stitch placed right in between them. And to finish, I'll crochet around these 2 chain stitches here, which are the very first 2 chain stitches that I had skipped, with a half double crochet. And with that, I am also finished with this row. You can already see how beautifully the whole thing is building up here. And I'm taking you along with me now on another series. Chain 2 for the turning chain, and then you'll turn your work, and then half double crochet. Chain 1, half double crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, You'll do a half double crochet, then a chain stitch, half double crochet. And now we'll continue with a half double crochet, then a chain stitch, and finally another half double crochet. And so I've already arrived at the very end of this section here, and I'm going to finish off the entire piece with just one final half double crochet stitch. I'm going to continue crocheting this for a few more rows, and then of course I'll be sure to show you an update on its progress. And here, my dears, I now have the update for you. As you can see, a super beautiful cozy pattern, very even, with the V stitches here stacked on top of each other, and also with really nice straight sides on both sides here. I've already crocheted quite a bit, but for a scarf there's still a lot missing, of course, so I'll just keep crocheting now. So everyone, here I am now with the finished scarf, and you see it's turned out really nice and long. This scarf is about 160 centimeters long. I actually crocheted it using 2 balls of yarn, which I then held double. So I changed the ball of yarn once, I simply knotted them together and then crocheted over the ends a bit. And you can also see the beautiful volume very clearly once again here. So it's truly wonderfully soft and incredibly cozy to the touch. The glitter thread is actually not perceptible to the touch at all, and yet it still creates such a really beautiful, lovely and shimmering effect. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and had fun again. If so, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell, and we'll see you next time here at Tolle Wolle. See you later. Bye now.